Hey guys, Keith Heinlein, Stoeger Product Manager. I'm here at the NRA show in Indianapolis 2023. I wanted to talk about one of our proven platforms for home defense. This is our Stoeger Double Defense. It's a side-by-side 20-inch barrels. It's ported, got a green fiber optic sight. It's got a rail on the top here for an optic, a rail under here for a light or a laser. And let me tell you something, there's nothing more intimidating than a short-barreled side-by-side shotgun defending your home. So I urge you to take a look at this gun. Go to StoegerIndustries.com for more information.